Right, so I've not run this for a month while I've been messing around with other projects, and it's a bit smoky when I rev it. So I don't know if you can be able to see now, it has cleaned up a little bit. It's not revving out very well, and it's smoking. So I've got this, which is Injector cleaner by Tunap 984 is the one for the diesel. You take the lid off, put the nozzle on, and you tip it in the tank. I'll run this round the field a bit, and hopefully that'll clean it all up. It worked last time and I got it all so it revved easily and it worked great, and then like I say I left it for probably a month or 6 weeks while I was on other projects, and now we're back to square one with a smoky diesel that won't pull, that I need to get an MOT on. Right, catch you later. Okay, a few hours later, back at base. Bit of a story. We got some fuel cans there because I took it down the track to next door and backed into turn round to give it a good bit of throttle up the hill to get the turbo spinning, and you've guessed it, I ran out of fuel. So I had to walk down the hill with my tools, couple of gallons of fuel, bleed it all through, and now turbo spinning up a treat, and it's burning off nice. No smoke, just a bit of oil burning out the exhaust pipe, but that looks like a fix to me. Okay, you know the score. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. I'll give it another run tomorrow. I think this will be ready for its MOT once I put the cowls on and all around the steering.